after looking after looking at what I wrote, I actually find that this next step is also really quick. I think the last step is going to be the longest. I don't know, because it's been a while since I wrote the steps down and wrote down what I was going to teach. So here's the next step. This one's basically just how to work with applying transparencies to text. So we're going to lock the R3 layer, and then we're going to make the text shown, and we're going to also unlock this. We're going to click on this text frame right here, which is Portuguese. I kind of wrote in Portuguese. We're already seeing what I write. We're going to click this. We're going to select it. We're not going to like click on the text. We're going to select it. We're going to do our trusty good old friend, the effects panel. And we're going to go down to click the text level. We're going to change change the blend mode to overlay, and we're going to change the opacity down to 17. And I think I did it right. Let me double check. I think I did it right. If I did it right, let me just zoom in and see what it looks like. Gotta make sure I did this right. If you see right here, you see now that whatever is overlaid with the spiral, it changes the color. And if you ever see the gray right here, it changes the color. I think I did this right. I hope I did it right, but I think I did it right. But that's basically what it does. It just overlays things, you know, all that stuff. And that's pretty much it for that step. And we're just gonna, and also there's a thing called the hand tool, which you can use to move the thing around. But if you want to make it quicker, you just press the space bar, and you can do that too. You don't really need to click this, because the space bar does it better. You're doing quickly. Anyway, but now we're gonna do the next thing, which we're gonna do. I'm gonna change this. We're gonna do this object right here. And I think this already has a fill, so we're gonna pick the fill level, which is right here. We're gonna change the opacity down to 70. Right, change the opacity down to 70, and if I'm right, it should change the opacity down. We'll do 70. Now the fill, which is the white part, is now changed down to 70. Now it's a lot more like, you know, lighter. I guess to say it's the opacity's down. Basically, all you gotta do is just click the fill level, and you're just gonna press 70. It changed the opacity to 70. And then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna, if I'm right, let me check. Oh, let me double check. I gotta read what I wrote. Oh, okay. What I wrote down was to show you guys, like, if I were to like click this and change the object to 70, it would also make the text grayer. We're not doing that though. I don't know why I wrote that. I don't know. I guess it's maybe to show you guys, but just gotta keep it the same. And all you're gonna do is just click out of it, deselect it, or like I told you guys, go to edit and do this keybind or select all. You're just gonna do that, and then you're just gonna save as always. That's really it for this like second to last like part. It's really easy. All we really did was just change the overlay for the image, text, and all that stuff, and that's all really we did for that one. And change the opacity. And this one was really simple. All we really did, let me double check. All we really did is click the text frame, and we just changed the fill to 70% opacity. That's all really what we did. That's all we really did. Anyway, this is the next part is going to be working with effects, and this is going to be the last part of the video, and we're going to be done with this stuff, and then I can edit this out later. Anyway, I'm going to end the recording. Do this later. See ya.